everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a Bliss girl. I hope you all are doing well, and as this is my first video on channel, I am really very excited. So let's get started. This is my first brief review for Matt Per's course, that is Tube Mastery and Monetization. I will be posting in-depth videos of his course very soon. Let me introduce you to the course creator first. You must be knowing his name, Matt Per. He is a successful YouTuber running his 9 YouTube channels and who has earned a huge amount of money, fame, respect, all at the age of just 19 years. I am sure his stories will inspire you too. In this course, Matt has shown in-depth practical training explaining how to start a YouTube channel from scratch and how to earn tons of money along with the examples. It has 36 video lessons and the content is about 5 hours long. All this process he has shown step by step, starting from niche selection to upload a video. But keep in mind that this course acts only as a map for you and you have to drive to your destination on your own. Because consistent hard work is the only key to get succeed in any field. Along with 36 in-depth training videos, here are some more bonuses you can get from the course. So first is, as soon as you buy the course, you get access to Matt's private Facebook group, which has many experienced and successful YouTubers including Matt, who really helps to solve your doubts and queries, and that too very fast. Second, you can get a big bonus module to few videos. Right? Here you can see the big bonus module where Matt actually shows the process of how to create a new YouTube channel and guide for step-by-step methods of video creation to the level it is being uploaded. Keeping in mind all the tactics to rank on YouTube algorithm, because YouTube algorithm is one of the most important thing. He also shows how one can easily make videos without showing their face on YouTube. Right? This is very important for few people who don't want to show their face. So one of the biggest part of this course also contained outsourcing the work. Because if some people have time but no money, while some have no time but have some money to spend, so they can outsource their work. Next is Tube channel case studies. Tube channel case studies. There are a lot of videos in this module too. There are exactly 19 videos for lot of channel case studies to help you get a better idea of what exactly channels are doing, and then that you can potentially replicate in your own business. Again, he has provided a great module here. Now, after purchasing this course, you can become an affiliate to Matt's course, where you can earn a big 50% of commission on each sale you make. Right? So this is by far the most easiest method to earn even without waiting your channel to get monetized. He will also guide how you can promote his course on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, etc. So this is completely insane, guys. I mean, you can recover the full amount of course even if you can make 2 sales out of it. That is $250 for each course you get. And the last but not the least reason why you definitely purchase this course is that you get money back guarantee of 60 days. Right, guys? it's 60 days, within 60 days, if you feel like you didn't get anything valuable from this course, you can claim and get all of your money back. Here it is mentioned, you can get all of your money back. But I'm sure this wouldn't be happening, right? Please go through the pre-webinar link below and spare only 1 hour for it, because it is going to be your life changer, trust me. Matt reveals all his secrets in free webinar. So take your time to go through it before buying this course. The link for the purchase is also mentioned in the description box. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any question, feel free to comment down below. I will upload in-depth videos for each category of the course. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and share the video. Thanks for watching.